Let me explain to you the advantages of our bird feeder design. He started up the pole. This is his first attempt. Will he do it? Can he do it? And he success! Hi, I'm Achintya. Hope you guys are all doing well. I guess everybody loves nature, right? After plants and trees, the first thing that comes to your mind is birds. I love birds. I'm so fond of the beautiful, colorful birds. I love watching the birds. It makes me so happy and excited. There are lots of advantages in bird watching. It develops a sense of curiosity. And the main thing I learned from bird watching is how birds use their different appearances to survive. Don't worry, you don't need special equipment to watch birds, and you certainly don't need to go to exotic locations to watch birds. Simply sitting in your backyard or front yard and watching birds is all it takes to engage in this hobby. Now we all know that watching birds is beneficial to you. You need a bird feeder to attract birds to your yard so you can watch them. Coming to a bird feeder, we installed many types of bird feeders available in the market, but none of them were able to keep chipmunks or squirrels away from the bird seeds. Whenever we put the bird seeds out for the birds, all the chipmunks and squirrels came and ate all the bird seeds and made a huge mess. We also tried different bird feeder baffles to keep the squirrels away from the bird food, but none of them worked. We wanted to design our own squirrel-proof bird feeder, but I needed some help. Luckily, my friends Trixie and Ninja came to help. We're sorry for the video not being too clear because Trixie and Ninja are camera shy, so we had to shoot from behind the window. To help us test our bird feeder, we have two contestants, Ninja and Trixie. This is Ninja, folks. He started up the pole. This is his first attempt. Will he do it? Can he do it? Oh, he's looking down. He's thinking. Oh, he failed. Okay, up next is the one and only Trixie. Come on, Trixie, get up the pole. Good job. This is our first attempt. Oh, look at that stretch. She is looking down. Is she gonna quit? No, she's going back up. She's so stubborn. Oh, she reached! Woohoo! Success! Uh-oh, it looks like Ninja's tensed because Trixie has done it. She's already overcome the bird feeder. And can he do it? He has already failed once, so this is his second attempt. Come on, Ninja, get up that pole. Okay, can you do it, Ninja? He's thinking. He's going down. Is he gonna quit? Oh, Ninja, you failed. Okay, this is Ninja's attempt 3. Will he be able to do it this time? Come on, Ninja. Are you gonna quit again? Really? Are you gonna quit again? Oh no, he's using the same strategy Trixie has used, and he's success! As you have seen, both Ninja and Trixie were able to come over the flat bird feeder baffle. So to draw the bird feeder baffle to show you, first we need a stick. And then, of course, the most important part, the baffle. This is why Ninja and Trixie have been able to come over the thing. That's because we measured the length of the bird feeder baffle, and drum roll please, and it's only 12 inches. And Ninja and Trixie were able to see the end where they needed to reach, and they reached for it and they got up. So we're planning another design. And of course, this is also another trash can lid, and this is our new design. This time it is bow-shaped. We measured the ends, and this time it's 13 inches. So it's a 1 inch difference, and hopefully the squirrels won't be able to reach it. And even if the squirrels jump, they'll jump straight, so they won't be able to get to the end. And they cannot see the end where they need to reach. So let's see how our friends deal with our new design. Now they have a new obstacle, the blue Baffle. This is Trixie, and this is her first attempt. Come on, Trixie, get up that. Well, she looks confused. Can she do it? I don't think she can see the end point. She's not even attempting it. Oh, she failed. This is the one and only Ninja. He started up the pole. Can he do it, or will he fail like Trixie? Come on, Ninja. He's looking. He didn't attempt, and he's looking down, and he failed just like Trixie. And this is Trixie, and she wants to try again. This is her second attempt. Okay, come on, Trixie. Woohoo. Stretch, Trixie. We know Trixie's really good at stretching, and she's coming down. She failed again. Okay, this is Ninja, and this is his second attempt. Come on, Ninja. He looks confused, and he's going down, and he failed. Okay, Ninja's standing on the bush. He's cheating because he's looking to jump it, but we know he cannot because the distance is 9 feet. And make sure it is at least 8 to 10 feet so your squirrels don't jump it. As you see here, both Ninja and Trixie haven't been able to overcome the blue Baffle. That means our bird feeder is squirrel-proof. Yay! Now, let me show you how to remodel the top part of the bird feeder. To construct your bird feeder, you need a pressure-treated wood pole and a circular trash can lid. So as you see here, the wood pole is square-shaped, so you need to mark a square shape in the trash can lid and cut along the white dotted lines and open it up as you see in this picture. We painted our trash can lid brown. We tried to paint it a little. Now we're trying to paint a pretty little flower, but it didn't turn out exactly how we wanted it to be. We're going to paint this circular wooden board red. Now we're going to paint these two sticks and the bird feeder top yellow. I'm going to make 7-inch marks on the stick so we know where to cut the stick. This is an old bird feeder, but as we showed you, we painted it yellow, so now it looks new and really pretty. So as you can see, there are holes on the back of the bird feeder base. There's so the water can drain out of it, but if you just stick it on there, you're closing the hole so the water can't go out. So we were thinking to put a little height and then put it on so the water can go through the bottom, because you don't want a big pond here. So we're going to install this on top of the sticks. Okay, now we have assembled the base to the sticks with small wire. Now we're going to assemble these yellow square-shaped sticks around the circle with zip ties. Okay, as you see here, we have chose these flat, square-shaped sticks, so when birds land on them, they don't roll and come off. But circular sticks roll and come off, which you don't want. Now I'm going to cut off the extra zip tie pieces. Now we fix the sticks with zip ties. Now we need a measurement of where the center is so we can put the real pole. This is not the real pole. This is just a stample stick so we know where the center is. This looks about the center. Now we're going to use these L brackets to make a place so we know where the real stick is going to go. We'll screw the L brackets once we find out where the center is. This is the bottom base of the bird feeder that we were working on. Now we're going to attach the top bird feeder part to the base. Whoa, it looks amazing. A lot better than the old one. Now this is the attached and finished piece. As you can see, there are small notches here. We're going to drill a hole so we can put this wire through so we can stabilize it. we're going to install the bird feeder we made on top of this pole. We're installing the catch tray first on the green pole. Inside the hole we showed you earlier. We did not screw the catch tray yet, but now we're going to install the bird feeder. We punched holes in the catch tray and tied the catch tray to the pole using wire and picture frame hooks. After remodeling, we invited our two friends to really check if this is squirrel-proof or not. This is Trixie's turn. Can she do it? Come on, Trixie. I think she's thinking if she wants to stay or go down. Okay, Trixie's thinking. Come on, Trixie. Do one or the other. I think she's gonna go down. Now it's Ninja's turn, and Trixie is walking away. Come on, Ninja. Come on, Ninja. Get on the pole so we can really see if it's squirrel-proof or not. Okay, is Ninja going to make it? Ninja's looking everywhere. Ninja, can you do it? Or are you going to come down? Looks like Ninja's thinking. He's looking down. Is he going to quit? Oh, he quit. I see many colorful birds every day thanks to our bird feeder. Let me explain to you the advantages of our bird feeder design. Birds are messy eaters. While eating one seed, they drop or spill at least 10 to 20 seeds. That's a huge mess. It will fall down on the ground and attract other pests like bugs and squirrels and chipmunks and give them a splendid feast. And you don't want that near your house especially. Let me explain to you how our baffle is better than the baffles that are used at the supermarket. Well, the baffles are really tiny there and the squirrels can easily reach over it. And it doesn't work as a catch tray. When the birds spill all the food comes down and birds want it. Ew. And so our baffle works as both a squirrel keep away baffle and also a catch tray baffle. The top part of the bird feeder with the sticks kind of looks like a dining table for a big family. All the birds are a big family. They have dinner, lunch, and breakfast together. Merry Christmas, all the birds. Have a big feast. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave any suggestions in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and don't forget to smash that bell. Okay, video's done. Birdie, go home.